Sa'yo?
Sa atin.
Diba siya basta? What's souvenirs? Sito?
Yeah.
Bibili ka?
Hindi ko alam.
Ayoko ng sito.
Ayaw ka lang. We got the good.
The food.
We got the good.
Doon tayo sa kabila. Nakabili ng Mr. Chips.
Chippy. Wishy.
Ano mga nabibili sa Pinas?
Instant noodle. Beef na beef flavor.
That's what I need.
Sorry.
That's what I want.
Oh my God.
Bibili ka kay
We
mama.
got a lot. Sa akin yung hot and spicy.
Wow, sarap ng hot and spicy.
Ito original na. Pandesal. Labu. Kaiju? Kaiju?
Ibang kaji yan eh. Anong bibili mo?
Okay.
Wala nakalagay.
24.90 eh. Ay, hindi nakasale pala.
Sale siya. Bumili kami eh. Kay baby. Ikaw. Bubuhos mo?
Hindi, gusto ko talaga yung chips yung...
Can we please get a mango magic medium size?
Yeah, is that everything?
Anything with it?
Medium as well?
Junior?
Medium?
We're waiting for our boost order. We got King William. King William. Yeah, it's a chocolate drink and mango magic. Oh my gosh. That does not taste good.
Yeah.
That does not taste good. I'm gonna try mine. Anyway, we're off to the church na. We're gonna go na. Buti na lang maliit lang yung kinuha ko. Yeah. Because I just wanted to try the drink.
guys! So, eto na po yung start ng aking pagiging fifth wheels.
Hey guys! So we're
Hi guys, I'm third
currently
wheel. I'm fifth wheel for today.
We're currently here at Science World. Yeah, we're with Ian. And then
The two lovebirds, don't mind us.
Kailangan ba po nila? Yeah.
Where's the camera? Where's the camera?
bro, it's already on.
Yo,
What are you
smash
doing?
that. Oh,
What are you
how do you
doing?
flip it? How do you flip it?
You're gonna break that.
Hey guys, smash that like button, hit that bell notification. Let me know in the comments where you want to go next, guys. Okay? See you guys there. Subscribe. I got you.
Thank
That's
you.
your intro. That's your,
We got an
your outro. Yeah.
Hi guys, so for today, ito nga, nasa Science Museum. Ay, ano Science Works?
Science Works.
Science Works kami.
Open the doors, start seating everyone, and doors will shut on the out end, there is no letters. The planetarium all the way in the very end to the galleries that way. There's to explore, plus you can go out and look at the old structural pumping station as well. But yeah, have a great day.
Thank you. Ganun lang yun, magka-thank you ka lang. Ito yung parang pag hinawakan mo. Ay! Ano yun? Lactose. Ay, good. We're gonna go inside.
Mga inventions. Tingin tayo. Laban. Sinburn. Rubik's Cube solver.
It's R2D2.
R2D2. Yeah. Galing. Press mo yung
Button.
para mag
Re-race kayo.
You want to go outside? No.
No.
pipila. Wala na nangyari.
I want to see you shoot, mate.
Uy. Sayang.
Ba ganyan? Masakit pa kamay ko na. Uy, may reason.
30.
Oh! Whoa! Like, it's really, you know, you... Huwag kaliwa, kanan. Dominant.
Kaliwa siya eh.
Muscle.
So he's gonna get 70, more than 70. Oh.
The muscles. One's out, one's out, guys. One's out, one's out.
Ay, sa baba! Ito! Taas!
Taas.
Same tayo.
Oh.
Sila.
Ang daya.
No way. No way. With the same eye.
Wait! Wait lang, bilan? Wait. No, again.
So we're here at Melbourne Planetarium and we're about to watch a show that I'm not sure about what it is about. Parang naka-zoom in yung
Two wavelengths of electrons, which is just beyond UV, but
So we just finished watching the solar system in the planetarium and we're gonna go out. Wow. Yeah. So we don't know where we're going. We're just following them.
Following the leader.
Yeah.
Are we the only ones here?
Oh my gosh.
Wow! Already smell that!
$5.
Kapag ano, card ko na lang.
Ika-card mo?
Yeah, itong entry.
Entry.
Free taste? I know, popcorn. Potato twist.
Sa kabila.
Sa kabila. Let's check it.
Magkano yun? Gusto ko may flavor ng cheese. Sana.
Yeah.
Kukuha ka?
Let's just get one. Chicken salt.
Chicken salt?
Ikaw, di ba gusto mo? Cheese?
Chicken salt na lang.
Okay.
Hi, can I get one potato twister with chicken salt? Chicken. Ang dami pwede kainan dito. Kaso wala ngayon. Ilulog pa sa baso.
Kain kayo. May Nutella bun sila, oh. Nutella donut.
Mga dessert dyan eh. Tara. Dessert.
Street
Hindi kasi Dua Lipa.
Dutch pancake. Ano to? Japanese. Ay, ito yung ano, pancake na fluffy pancakes. Yeah.
Ito yung pinicturean ka noon.
Ah, ito? Oh.
Ayoko, masyado matamis yan.
Birkie bar.
Ito, flying noodle.
Flying noodle.
Nakaganon. Nakaganon yung noodle pag binigay sa'yo. Gusto mo nun?
No.
Love drinks. Ano gusto mo? Sige, ikaw na.
Ano gusto mo? Slice, rare beef?
Slice. Yeah. Kabila?
Oo, sa kayo po.
Doon ulit. Doon sa ano natin.
Oo, sige.
Ay, ayun na.
So we got pho and lemon granita. Lemon granita.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Where did you get that? I want to get that for my reels.
Oh, we got this from Amazon.
What's it called?
DJI.
Okay, let me write this down. Can you write it down for me?
Okay, sure.
Because I look for something like this at JB Hi-Fi. I couldn't find it.
Oh, it's always out of stock.
Ah, right.
Better. Akala ko parang ayaw niya magpa-video. Parang kumbaga, kasi inaayos ko kanina. Akala ko parang nakikita na siya. Ganyan. Yung pala, gusto niya yung camera.
Oh. Sarap.
You like it?
So.
It's like your type, not my type.
Oh. Like super acid.
Let's taste the lemon gratina. Wow, that's so sour. I feel like shinake din nila yung balat ng lemon. But it's good.
Oh, sarap.
It tastes refreshing.
It's like fettuccine alfredo, and this one's strawberry sunset.
Parang ang sakap.
Ay, sorry, te.
Okay na. Dalawa.
Ginaya. Sabi niya, where did you get the camera? Because I want it for my reel.
Oh,
I go, oh, we bought this from Amazon. What's it called again? I go, DJI. It was more pocket free. Can you write it down? Nakakausap ako. O, kung
Papunta
nakita ko
ako.
lang bumalik.
Ano?
Papunta ako, nakita ko. Nabalik.
Ayun.
Ito? Pila ko siya. Hot sauce.
Pag ba nakalabas ka, bawal ka na mawalit?
Hindi naman. Kasi wala hindi kami matatanda. Yeah?
Ayun.
Bawal sa yan. May prawn. Ano yun? Tawag? Corn dog? Gusto mo? Tara.
We ordered corn dogs from...
Ayan, market na. Try it.
Saan na masarap?
Wala. Wala.
Corn dog.
Our third food of the day. Kain. Sabi ko na ba ito? Crab?
It's good, right?
Nangyayitsura ako. Ano? O, di ba may kausap ako? Kasi ate dun.
Okay, Venice. Saan sila pumunta?
Bumili ng drinks. Sa tapunan doon.
We're just sharing. Kasi baka hindi naman namin maubos kapag naghiwalay po. Or dalawa pa binili namin.
Tsaka pag gutom na din ako. Tama.
Grabe. Naman ng wallet ko kanina. May 100 ngayon. Ano na lang? Tawag dito. Puro receipt. Dito pa rin ba kaya?
Ha?
Ito muna kami.
Sige, papalit ako.
Pahinga muna kami.
Pahinga muna. Okay, ano?
Pag wala kami, umiikot lang kami.
Okay. Basta dito ang
No more.
Alam mo yung kung nanamig ka, punta tayo dito may mga hinter.
Yep.
Gusto mo?
Hindi pa naman.
Oh, dami.
Bernice, hi, try it. Wait. Was it not charging?
Hot drink?
Ba't kakabahan ako? Pata ako lang mag-isa.
Ako? Okay lang ako mag-isa. Ang ayoko lang pag mag-isa ako, tapos may nag-doorbell. May nag-doorbell. Nangyari na sa akin yun one time.
Oo. So, tapos,
Ako ayaw kahinga. Nandun ko sa gate.
edi, marami tayo sa mga experience na ng doorbell. Parang,
Taste daw. Why?
Ayoko na.
Why?
to you.
Pen.
Birthday to you.
What happened? Burn.
Online.
Kailan may video?
Oh, it's okay to like matamaan yun. Oh, okay. Sige kuya, tira mo ng tira. Paleng! Labas! Ay, hindi. Labas? Go ate! Yes, Tiger Woods! Tiger Woods! Ako Lion Woods. Ano daw?
Lion Woods. Oo nga, nakakabila, no?
Oo.
Napunta sa paddle.
Kain na lang ulit tayo sa grade. Kumain sa grade.
Oh, not bad.
Woo! Muntik na ma-shoot.
One more.
5 more. 10 more.
10 more.
Ayun na naman siya.
Ito na naman ako.
Oh,
Ang sabot eh. Dapat pagano.
mataas.
Ayun.